Our team coverage continues on this active weather Tuesday. Our Griffin Wright is in Newton this morning where some cars were flooded in some really deep water.
Yeah, some serious situations out there in Jasper County. Griffin, what are you seeing and where's your location right now?
Yeah, so I'm right at about 1st and 15th Street here in Newton by the Scooters Coffee and Walgreens. There's a Walgreens that you can't see, but that parking lot is flooded. And right here, you can see even the car here, they tried to make it through and couldn't because of how deep this water is. If you can see, it's really about up to the top of my calves to my knees here of my thigh waders here. But this is very, very deep water, and really anytime you have a situation like this with this type of flooding, it's just not worth it to risk driving through. It's better just to wait for it to pass or find another way around. Otherwise you might end up like this car here. But emergency crews are on scene. They have blocked off the road. It just goes to show that when this much rain comes down, this is the result and why you need to be very careful when you're driving through it.
A powerful visual there.
Yeah, it certainly is. Thank you, Griffin Wright, reporting live out there in Jasper County, flooding roadways and streets. And also Highway 6 near Iowa Speedway and Iowa 224 completely closed because of flooding too. So folks out there in Jasper County going to and from the metro, be cautious out there today.